on. Come on, come on. No! No! I want to have a party. Farther with that one.
All right, party!
That one.
Whee! This is the most fun I've ever had! A new text from Chris. A party at Chris's house. I'm in. Oh.
Hey Chris, we're here. I brought muffins. I ate one already. I hope you don't mind.
Okay, that's fine. I got the good stuff.
The good stuff.
Good stuff.
Good stuff.
Good stuff.
So what's this party gonna be about, Chris?
Obviously, we're watching Celebrity Jeopardy.
Woo! Yeah!
Incoming news broadcast.
We interrupt your regularly scheduled programming to bring you this Fox 9 news bite. The zombie apocalypse is here!
I've got a great idea, guys. I've been preparing for the apocalypse for years. Look at these supplies. Those were my only two.
I didn't even get any.
Wait a second.
Wait.
It's zombie apocalypse?
Oh, these are for a nuclear apocalypse. You're
Oh,
fine.
yes.
Zombies, you can't explain that. Here to talk with me about the zombie outbreak is Dr. Volkswagen Herr Afklinschluben, our correspondent from Germany.
Thank you for having me on Fox News. I have discovered that the source of the zombie virus is none other than oyster sauce. Do not consume oyster sauce.
What?
Oh, I'm just yanking your chain. But seriously, the cause of the virus is none other than this strain of infected blueberry muffins. Do not eat these muffins under any circumstances.
I can't believe you ate that whole muffin.
Okay, I mean, I'd already eaten half of it. I couldn't just let the rest go to waste.
Alright, well, what do we have here?
Well, we need to know how much of the zombie virus I've ingested. And this is approximately what a cross-section of our muffin looks like. This is a quarter of a circle, and this is a rectangle. So
Alright.
we're going to need to use the shell method to revolve this around the y-axis.
Okay.
So, using the shell method, we get 2 pi, for this particular bit, on the interval from 0 to 2.
Yeah.
And that is x times this equation as the height minus 0, which just leaves us with that.
Doesn't look very tasty.
No. And then we add that to 2 pi in the interval of 0 to 1.5 of this rectangle, which is x times 0 minus negative 2, which just leaves us with 2 dx.
Alright, 2x.
So now we need to use u substitution. If we make u 4 minus x squared, and du becomes negative 2x.
Then we just multiply the outside by negative a half, and the inside will be negative 2x.
Right? And then we want to change our interval into u. So u of 2 is 0, and u of 0 is 4.
Alright.
So that means we'll need to flip our interval and make it negative. So when that gets all cleaned up, we get So then we want to flip this one over.
And it drops the negative.
Alright, so now we're going to want a sheet of paper.
Platinum.
Then we integrate this. Becomes 2/3 u to the 3/2 on the interval of 0 to 4. And this becomes x squared on the interval from 0 to 1.5. Now we plug that in. Alright, so this becomes pi times 2/3 4 to the 3/2 power minus 2/3 0 to the 3/2 power plus 2 pi times 1.5 squared is 2.25, which ends up as 9 quarters, minus 0 squared, which is just 0.
And that's just 0 too.
This also is just 0, and this is 8 times 2/3 is 16/3. So we clean this up, we get 16 pi over 3 plus 9 pi over 2. And we might want to make these so we can multiply them together. We can make their bases 6s. So we multiply and we get 32 pi over 6. Multiply this by 3. 18 pi over 6.
27. 9 times 3 is 27.
Apologize. Plus 27
Learn your numbers, yo.
pi over 6. When we add these together, we get 59 pi over 6 for our final volume.
Well, 59 pi over 6 inches cubed, that's about 30.89 inches cubed. According to the Zombie Survival Guide, which I've made a study of, it's my passion, it's my hobby, it's my life. You have about half an hour to live if you've consumed one muffin.
I ate 2 muffins.
That means we really gotta get moving now, guys.
Okay. So what did you bring, Chris?
I brought an entire collection of hats. I couldn't bear to part with them. I also brought a gun, another gun, another hat, another hat, another gun, another gun, another hat. I don't know what that is. Another gun. Another hat, another gun, some sunglasses and another gun, and more sunglasses, another gun, and a crossbow.
You realize those are Nerf guns?
Crossbow's a Nerf gun. No, don't take that. I'm taking that.
Boys, how are we today?
What are you doing, Noah?
I've been waiting a long time for this.
Alex, you're gonna take this.
Sweet.
And this. I'm gonna take this and the noisy cricket. Okay, I guess I'll take this. And I want the crossbow. Let's go.
The coast is clear, guys.
Oh, guys, I don't feel so well anymore. I think we need to stop the elevator.
This isn't personal.
No, wait, hey. Oh, why would you do that?